Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas. I am so excited to be participating in Vlogmas this year. I will be bringing you videos every day from December 1st to December 25th. Yes, every single day. Make sure that you are subscribed and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss any of these videos. Let's get into it. Hey, so today we are using some new products from one of my fave hair care lines, Camille Rose Naturals. They just came out with the black castor oil and Chebe line. This line is amazing. So I have the shampoo, conditioner, hair butter, and hair oil. And I'm gonna walk you through the process of all of these products today. Stay tuned. Okay, so we are starting out with the shampoo. This is the Black Castor Oil and Chebe Cleanse Invigorating Scalp Treatment Shampoo. This is what the bottle looks like. This is a pretty thick in consistency shampoo. So one use, I've used this much. Shampoo is very thick. It's very moisturizing. Cleanses your scalp, cleanses your hair, but it does not leave a stripping feeling. This stuff is bomb. So let me tell you a little bit about what's inside of it. So it says, drench strands in the shower and apply the cleansing shampoo throughout the length of the hair. For thicker textures, section first before applying to ensure every strand is penetrated. Use fingers or palms, massage to emulsify with water until hair is clean. Follow with deep conditioner, intense strengthening treatment. The benefits of this shampoo is that it is an oil-infused hair cleanser crafted to strengthen strands, restore shine, and improve manageability. And it did just that, as you can see in the clips here. So this is good. This is really good. Next up, I use the Black Castor Oil and Chebe Deep Conditioner Intense Strengthening Treatment, which is vegan friendly. And I definitely went heavy-handed on this deep conditioner, as I do with my products, but that's me, probably you too. So this is how much of it I've used so far. So I'm definitely gonna get a nice amount of treatments out of this. She is thick. She is very thick, and she is so moisturizing. And if you can see those little pieces inside of there, and I absolutely love how this line smells. It smells absolutely amazing. So let's see about this deep conditioner. The benefits, it says it's an intensive conditioning treatment crafted to strengthen the hair shaft and restore vitality to damaged, stressed strands. It says on freshly washed strands, apply a generous amount to hair. Use fingers or a wide tooth comb to distribute evenly from root to tip. Leave on for 20 minutes, then rinse with cool water. For best results, follow up with a Camille Rose leave-in or styling product. And after I use this deep conditioner, followed by after the shampoo, and then I deep condition with this, put my hair in a microfiber towel for about 20 to 30 minutes. And when I say my curls were popping, as if I'd add some product, the curls were popping. So this also is very good. Okay, so now that we have used the shampoo and conditioner from this new line from Camille Rose, let's get into the stylers. So first up, we have the Black Castor Oil and Chebe Buttercream Strengthening Texture Butter. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. I absolutely love how this line smells. So this is what the cream looks like. Very thick, very thick and creamy. Cannot wait to use this. And then we also have the black castor oil and Chebe Repair Pure Strengthening Oil. Excited to use this as well. So I'm going to be pairing this together for styling. And I think I'm going to do some small to medium twist, possibly leave the twist in for a few days and then take it out for a bomb twist out, but we shall see. Let's get into styling. Okay, so right after I finished conditioning my hair, I put this microfiber towel on. It has been on for about 20 to 30 minutes. And this is what my hair is looking like with no product. No product. No leave-in, no cream, no oil. Just freshly shampooed and deep conditioned with this new line from Camille Rose. If you did not pick it up from Black Friday, you might want to pick it up as soon as it becomes available. This line, the truth. So I think I'm going to do a side part. So we're just going to section our hair off. I think I'm gonna start with this section here. So I'm just going to section this part off with my clip. And we're gonna go ahead and start styling on this section here. So we're gonna take the buttercream and we're going to apply that to this entire section using a generous amount because this is the only styler that I'm going to be using. Definitely feels good going into my hair. It's definitely soaking into my strands already. Definitely very moisturizing. So I'm gonna go in with my brush and detangle. So this is the new Camille Rose detangling brush. So I'm starting at the ends and working my way up. Making sure there are no tangles. Loving this butter already. Very, very moisturizing. So I'm just going to section this part in half, and clip this out of the way. And now I'm going to go in with some of the oil on this small section. Let's open her up first. The oil is also pretty thick. Seems like all of the products for this line are pretty thick. So I'm just gonna split this section in half, detangle a little bit further, and then 2-strand twist. So I'm separating the hair in half and then twisting fairly tightly. And I'm gonna twist about 80% of the way down and then finger coil the end.
see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I'm trying to tell you in every way.
So I'm going to repeat these steps on the rest of my hair and I'll be back. So the twists are done and they are looking good, feeling good. Camille Rose doesn't miss. This new line, it's a must-have. So I'm gonna sit under my hooded dryer for about 30 minutes and then decide if I'm going to rock these twists or if I'm gonna go straight into the twist out. I don't know. We'll see. I'll be back. Okay, we are back and I did decide to rock these twists to work. So I wore it just like this. So now we are going to take these twists out and they look absolutely amazing. So we're going to add a little bit of the oil just to prevent any unnecessary, unwanted frizz. And my hair is so soft. And look at that definition. Okay, Camille Rose. And the shine.
Trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold.
Okay, so the twists are all taken down. They are nice, shiny, soft, defined. So we are going to do some separating. And then of course I'm going to go in with my pick and do some fluffing. The final results. I am absolutely loving this twist out. Camille Rose Naturals, unmatched. Absolutely loving. So let's give a quick recap of what I used. So I started with the Cleanse Invigorating Scalp Treatment Shampoo. And then I used the Deep Conditioner Intense Strengthening Treatment, which is vegan friendly. And then for styling, I went in with the Buttercream Strengthening Texture Butter and sealed all that goodness in with the Repair Pure Strengthening Oil. This new line from Camille Rose is definitely a must-have. You definitely want to get your hands on these products. The results speak for themselves. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video. Show.